So that could possibly be what it was.
And I tell you, this looks like a factory-done job. I mean, the fact that they did this in 45 days. And look how tight everything is now. Look how close that oil filter is, and yet nothing touches. It's just a beautiful, beautiful job. And Fred, you've done a wonderful job. This is probably better than when it left George Hurst, isn't it?
Oh, I'm sure it was, yeah.
Yeah. Because
You took more than 45 days to.
Yeah, it was 9 months.
9 months, okay.
well, 9 months.
9 months is
9
still,
months
yes.
to do it.